prove that 1 by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A is equal to 1 by sin A minus 1 by cosecant A plus cot A. LHS is equal to 1 by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A. Here 1 is equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A. Cosecant square A minus cot square A by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A is equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A. Cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A by cosecant A minus cot A minus cosecant A is equal to cosecant A minus cot A, cosecant A minus cot A gets cancelled. Cosecant A minus cot A minus cosecant A plus cot A minus cosecant A. Cosecant A gets cancelled is equal to cot RHS is equal to 1 by sin A minus 1 by cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 1 by sin A minus cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1 by cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 1 by sin A minus cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A by cosecant A plus cot A. Cosecant A plus cot A gets cancelled. 1 by sin A cosecant A minus of cosecant A minus cot A is equal to cosecant A minus cosecant A plus cot A. Cosecant A gets cancelled is equal to cot A. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.